Hey Nash, what should we make? Well, I guess I get to pick for once. Let's make bourbon bacon jam. Today we're making bourbon bacon jam. I mean, come on, bourbon good, bacon good, jam good. It should work. I've made bacon jam before. I've never made it this way. So if all goes well, it should be a sweet, savory, delicious, bacony condiment that you can put on burgers, sandwiches, and pretty much anything you want. You might even just want to eat it with a spoon. I don't know. But hey, let's get into it. Bourbon bacon jam. Let's go. First thing we need to do is chop up some bacon. So we got 2 pounds of bacon here. We're just going to chop this up into little pieces. Now we're going to throw our bacon into a cold pan. We always want to start bacon in a cold pan because that way it heats up slower and the fat renders better. This is 2 pounds of bacon. It's going to shrink a lot. So then we're going to turn our heat to medium and let that start cooking. And while we're waiting for our bacon to start cooking, we can chop up 2 small onions here. We want this to chop up pretty fine because if we're making a jam, we almost want everything to kind of melt into the jam. And back to our bacon. Then we want to add in our onions. Stir those around. Make a little landing spot. And then we're going to put in about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, depending on how big your garlic is. Let that garlic cook for about 45 seconds or until it becomes fragrant. And then we stir it in. Alternatively, you could mince your garlic or you could use garlic paste if you really didn't want to chop your garlic or crush your garlic. We're just going to cook that for a few minutes. Now we add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup of bourbon. And we stir that in. And then we let it simmer. Now we add a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and 6-ish sprigs of thyme. Now we stir this in, let it simmer a little bit more. At this point, we remove the thyme. Kill the heat, give it 1 more stir. And then if you wanted, oh, I saw a thyme thing in there. Oh well, it's not the end of the world. If you wanted it to be a smoother jam, then you see right here, you could throw it in a food processor and pulse it a few times just to get a smoother deal there at the end. But either way, whether you do that or not, I'm not gonna do that because I kind of like it like this. And now we're just gonna leave it till it cools completely. So now that our bacon jam is cooled, it's actually, I put it in this container. It's been overnight now, but here's what we got, our bacon jam. I know it doesn't look impressive, but the flavor definitely makes up for it. So this is our bacon jam. Time for a bite. Cheers. Wow. That is a sweet, savory, bacony explosion of flavor with just a tiny little bit of heat from that cayenne, but it's so good. The bourbon definitely added to that depth of flavor. It just gives it doesn't taste like bourbon, but it just gives it a little bit more nuance. So good. I mean, this would be good on burgers, just on some like crostini or you could put on toast, avocado toast, sandwiches, literally anything. It's amazing. And you know, that recipe that we did with starting with about 2 pounds of bacon made quite a bit. You can see here. So good. I can't give Nash any because it's got onions in it, but he'll get we'll make some burgers and put this on there, and he'll get a burger without the bacon jam. Highly recommend making this. 10 out of 10. Just make a bunch and keep it in your fridge and just put it on everything. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything you want me to make, you want Nash and I to taste, drop it in the comments. Go check out our website, timschaoskitchen.com. All of our recipes are there, and you can comment there if you want us to make something as well. So you got options, you know? And that being said, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time. Peace.